Do you create handmade cards and find that just sometimes you don't quite have the perfect size envelope at home to fit your finished card? I've come across this problem so many times, but my saviour, the Creative Craft Products Scoreboard and envelope box maker. This tool has been a lifesaver in my craft room. I can now measure my cards and I can work out how to create the perfect size envelope. I find the card size that I have on the guide. I trim my cardstock to size. Then I use the handy diagonal guide, and there's a mark on here that tells you exactly where to put the corner of your paper. It's so easy. I then take my scoring tool included with the board, score down the line, twist my paper just 90 degrees and use the score line that we've just made to line that up with this bottom little corner here, rescore again and repeat that on all four of the edges to create the score lines for my envelope. For a truly professional finish, I'm going to use the Creative Craft Products Notch and Corner Punch. And it even shows you on your guide where to cut the corners and where to cut the notches as well. So again, it's all so simple. I score along those lines, folding them to create the envelope now. Now, my favourite glue for adhering an envelope together is the Creative Craft Products bookbinding glue. So I'm going to apply this to the two edges that are going to be underneath the bottom flap and then just glue those together. Ta-da! I now have a custom sized envelope for my handmade cards, but not only that, we can make huge envelopes, we can make tiny envelopes, we can make box envelopes as well for 3D projects, and we can just make your simple box lid and base in all different sizes, whatever you could possibly need. The link for this tool is just below, so make sure you stock up on your essential scoreboard and envelope box maker for your craft room.